Alrighty. Hopefully you can hear us okay. I don't have the mic stuff out here in the lake. But Tank wanted to make sure to tell everybody out there that has dogs with the 4th of July coming up, that all the popping and banging, make sure your puppies are okay. Keep them safe. If you're outside, make sure that they're a dog that either listens or chained up or on a leash. You don't want them chasing after the fireworks and getting hurt. If you plan on staying inside and you got all the fireworks going off, the loud popping and banging, and it's driving your dogs nuts, you can always turn the TV up a little to try to drown out the sound. Make sure all your doors are shut and your windows are shut. Another good thing to do is make sure they have their collar on them with the name tag, just in case they do break out or jump out of the fence or backyard or get away from you, that they have their name tag so you can get them back, or somebody can get them back to you. Another thing is if you plan on leaving them, you can also leave them in a room, turn the TV on, try to drown the sound out. And good thing that we found is get them a bone to chew on, maybe some peanut butter inside the bone or something like that. But we just wanted to make sure everybody's keeping their puppies safe out there during the 4th, and yourselves. But Tank and I just wanted to wish everybody a happy 4th of July. Stay cool out there.